is day 10. Wait, this is not how I do it. I do that on TikTok and Instagram. Hey guys, I'm Kalila or Callie, and welcome to day 10 of me knitting on the Ava cardigan by petiteknit. As you guys remember, if you don't remember, let me refresh your memory. I picked up 288 stitches around the perimeter of the cardigan, and now I'm gonna work on the button band. I'm very excited. I want to finish it today, okay? Today is hopefully the last day that I'll be working on this sweater. Whoa, not a sweater, on this cardigan. And I have Rebecca pulled up right now. She just released the Kintra test knit form. Kahila and I woke up at like 6 a.m. to submit our request to get into the test knit, which we already are going to because she already said that we can since Kahila DM'd her, but still, it was still fun putting in the information and like applying. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm going to be test knitting. I need that though. I need it, okay? Anyway, so today is hopefully my last day. I still need to wind up this yarn. Like I said, I didn't do it last night. Listen, no thank you. But I'm going to wind this up right now, and it's currently 9:46 a.m. So we're starting early today, okay? I'm gonna watch Rebecca and then watch some Criminal Minds and just hyper focus on this. I'm probably gonna go get some breakfast though in the middle of it, probably after I wind this up, or it depends, yeah. But that's what's gonna happen, and we're gonna get started, okay? Let's get it. I was timing myself. I was watching the practice for F1, but I was timing myself as I usually do. But this time I actually specifically timed how long it takes me to do, one row of the button band. And so far, okay, I have calculated, give or take, that it takes me around 15 minutes to do it. I need to do, okay. Yeah, it takes me around 15 minutes to do one, okay? I have 17 total to do, and I am on row 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm not doing that. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. 13 more rows. 13 times 15. That's 195 minutes. 195 minutes is 3.25 hours, okay? Which, that means I can finish this mid-afternoon if I literally just stick with the, okay. You know what? Let me try to be done with this before 5 p.m. Let's see if I can do that. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is actually exciting. Let's do this. Let's do this. Where's my timer? Okay. Gotta get my timer back. So today I have knitted for 57 minutes so far. Can you see that? 35 minutes, 6 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, so let's see. Wait, I'm excited for this because I thought this was going to take a little longer to knit up, and it's not taking long at all. So that's exciting. Okay. I've only been knitting for 57 minutes and I've done 3 rows. Which, you know, I feel like that's on track. Okay, anyway, let's start knitting. I can't wait to block this out. I'm about to, if this doesn't wash out and like drape the way that I want, I'm going to aggressively block it out. Like I am stretching this. This is superwash yarn. Okay, superwash hand-dyed merino wool. Yeah, this thing is going to stretch. Hello, it's currently 1:55 p.m. and I am almost halfway through the ribbing already, which is very exciting. Can you see? Yes. Basically halfway through. I'm gonna weave in, let me put this on here. I'm gonna weave in this end here where I had to attach a new yarn ball, and then this end here where I picked up stitches. So this is what it's looking like so far. Of course, it's scrunched up on the needles because it's, you know, scrunched. But I'm very, very excited, and I'm loving how it's coming out. It's so easy. Like, okay, this is folding inward. Definitely gonna block that out. But I'm just loving how I picked up the stitches so that it has this little ridge area, basically, where it looks like it's just like erupting from the edge. Oh, that just looks so good to me. It's like having this shoulder detail, you know, like how the stitches just branch out from it. I love that look. Is that how it looks like in a pattern? Yeah, that's what it looks like in a pattern. I love that look. But yeah, I have been knitting for 2 hours, 11 minutes already so far. Wow. And I'm going to weave in these ends, and then I'm going to continue. I'm kind of just trying to like bulldoze through this today because I want to finish it. And I also am getting my hair done tomorrow. It's going to take like 2 days to do my hair. So I want to be able to have this done. And I'm also starting the Korshavn tomorrow. I know, crazy, crazy. People are gonna be like, hello, are you not gonna give yourself time to rest? No, I have been resting when I sleep, okay? I don't need a longer rest. I need to knit another sweater. Also, in my pattern stack of stuff that I want to knit, right? So after the Kintra sweater, the test knit that I'm going to be doing after the Korshavn, after the Kintra sweater, so my next project is the Korshavn. I'm going to do the Korshavn sweater. I'm going to try to knit that in 7 days. Then I'm going to do the Kintra sweater. No timeline on that one because it's a test knit and I want to make sure everything's good, you know? And I'm not trying to rush it. It's a fingering weight pattern that I chose the 4-ply version. There's a 4-ply and a DK weight. I chose the 4-ply fingering weight version on 3.5 millimeter needles and 1 strand of fingering. Yes. So that's the one I'm going to be doing after the Korshavn, and then after the Kintra, that test knit, I'm going to do sweater number 15. Okay, I've seen for years people knitting that sweater. Malika, Mr. Bobvin, my sister, has already started that. She's on the body of it already. She started it like last year, and it's been on the needles since last year. She has not picked it up. And I'm like, I need cables. I've been seeing so many people knit cables. I mean, it's cable knit season, you know, it's fall, going to be winter. Everyone wants a nice, cozy, oversized cardigan. Whoa, that's not what I meant to say. My brain went on autopilot. Cable knit sweater, and I want one. So I'm going to use leftover yarn that Kahila, Handmade with K, had from her test knit, and she had a shit ton of yarn left over. So I'm gonna use that and make, it's a green yarn, and it's gonna be a mix of Knitting for Olive Merino with Knitting for Olive Pure Silk. Oof, I feel like that combination is gonna be amazing, especially for the type of winter and falls we have. It doesn't really get super cold, but I'm very excited to knit with that, especially since even though I'm changing my hairstyle, my hair will still be red. So I want to have a nice green cable knit sweater. And I feel like the cables will pop with a color like that as well, which is great. And so, yeah, that will be the next thing my sisters and I knit after the Korshavn sweater, because we want to knit the same sweaters basically for the rest of the year and however long to come, which I love so much. Anyway, that is all for now. I'm going to finish weaving in these ends, and then the next part of what I'm doing is actually the buttonhole part, which I'm not really nervous about because I've done the April cardigan, so making buttonholes isn't really something new to me, but I'm excited because I feel like after that it's just going to be plain 2x2 rib again. So anyway, that's it. Enough of my yapping. Back to knitting, and it's 2:01 right now, 2 o'clock. So I said I want to finish before 5. Well, let's get that done. Guys, it is 5:27, okay? And guess what? I finished. Okay, hold on, let me put my needle stoppers on. Is the other one on? No. Where's my, oh, it's right here. I finished. I didn't bind off. I haven't bound off yet. But here it is. Oh my gosh. This completes it so nicely. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. Let's do that. Oh my goodness. Let me hold it up like this. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna bind off and then I'll be done. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'll be done with this. What do you mean? Day 10 and I'm done? Nice. That's awesome. Okay, time to bind off, and then since I'm gonna get my hair done, I'm gonna take my braids out, and I probably won't do a before and after until after my hair is done, because I'm gonna end up doing the after my hair is done anyway, so I might as well just wait to block it and then just like start on the next project. And yeah. All right, let's bind off. There's something that I have to confess. What is it? Well, that there will not be another update video after this, because I'm done. Oh, I finished. I finished. I finished. I cannot wait to block this out so that this can just, ooh, do you see that? Because, you know, it's 2x2, so it scrunches up. And I made sure my bind off was nice and loose. Okay, hold on, let me get close. Let me get close. Look at this. Okay, look at that. Okay. I got enough stretch. Okay, especially since, you know, the 2x2. Like, I made sure nothing was going to stay stiff, and, you know, how this pulls up here. When it's blocked and the bind off is tight, it would still stay up there. But since I didn't bind off tightly, look at how much that can stretch. Because if the bind off was too tight, it wouldn't be able to move. So I cannot wait for it to be like this. Same with this, to be like that. Ooh! Blocking this is going to be so much fun. I kind of want to try it on. I kind of want to try it on, but I don't have anything under here, so I will try it on after I do my hair. Will I make a blocking video on this? I don't feel like it. So yeah, I will come back for the pre and post blocking of this cardigan. Okay, but for now, that's it. I'm done. 10 days. Woo!